Have you ever wanted a magic wand? Something that can control lights, make sounds, and even talk to other machines? Well, put down the wooden stick because the real magic is right here. Hello, students. Welcome to your first step into the world of robotics. Today, we are introducing the Magic Board by Edusoft Robotics, the brain behind your next big invention.
Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
So, what exactly is this hexagonal piece of tech? Think of the Magic Board as a tiny super smart computer. Just like your brain tells your hand to move, the Magic Board tells electronic parts what to do. It reads signal, makes decisions, and control everything from motor to sensors. Whether you are a complete beginner or a coding pro, this board is designed for you. It supports everything from a simple block coding like fitting puzzles pieces together to advanced Python and Arduino programming. Let's take a closer look at what makes this board so special. It's packed with features right out of the box. On the back side, we have a microcontroller. This is the boss. It handles all your code and instructions. On the front, check out the RGB LEDs. They can change color to show if the power is on or if your code is working. And do you hear that? There's a built-in buzzer to create sounds, warning, or musical tunes. We have a boot button to upload new programs and a reset button to restart the brain if it gets confused. There is also a simple power switch to turn the magic board on and off. These are GPIO pins. This is where you connect wires, sensor and other cool gadgets. And to talk to your computer, a modern USB Type-C port, just like on a new mobile phone. You might be thinking, is it hard to use? Not at all. The Magic Board works with a special app that connects wirelessly or via cable. You can drag and drop blocks to create code in seconds. Want to build a burglar alarm, a smart home light, or a robot car? The app makes it easy. And for tech savvy, this board is powered by ESP32 chip, which means it has Wi-Fi capability. You can even build IoT projects like controlling your room lights from your phone. The Magic Board is your passport to learn science, technology, engineering, and maths in the most fun way possible. It's not just a circuit board, it's a tool to solve real world problems. So, are you ready to cast some spell with code? Grab your Magic Board, fire up the app, and let's start building.
Expecto Patronum!
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next lesson.